Today we are comparing two of the most popular productivity tools, Notion and ClickUp. If you are trying to manage projects, organize tasks, plan content, or run a team, then you have probably seen both of these platforms everywhere. At first, they may look similar because both can handle notes, tasks, and team collaboration. But in reality, they are built with different strengths. One focuses more on flexibility and organization, while the other one is more focused on complete project management and workflow control. So before choosing between them, this video will help you understand the important differences in a very simple way. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you discover useful software tools with special deals and discounts. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from description, because by using the description link, any special discount or special offer that will be applied automatically on productivity softwares. Now let's come to the main part of the video. First of all, let's talk about the Notion. Notion is mainly known for flexibility and clean organization. It combines notes, documents, database, wikis, calendars, and task management all in one workspace. Many creators, students, startups, and small teams use Notion because it allows them to build custom systems very easily. For example, you can create content calendar, you can create business dashboards, client portals, personal planners, or company wikis inside the same workspace. The blog-based editor makes everything feel very customizable and very clean. Another reason people like Notion is the simple and modern interface. Compared to many project management tools, Notion feels less overwhelming for beginners. Recently, the platform also added AI features for writing, summarizing, brainstorming, and organizing information. But Notion also has some weakness. When project becomes very large or complex, task management may feel less powerful compared to the dedicated project management platforms. Some users also mention that setting up advanced system inside the Notion that can take time because the flexibility sometimes creates the complexity. ClickUp is built more for project management, productivity, and team workflow control. The platform includes tasks, timelines, dashboards, automations, documents, goals, time tracking, and report tools. Many business and agencies use the ClickUp because it is designed to manage complex workflows. One big advantage of ClickUp is the number of project views available. You can switch between list view, board view, calendar view, timeline, Gantt charts, and many more. This gives teams better control over projects and deadlines. ClickUp also includes the stronger automation features compared to the Notion. You can automate task assignments, status changes, reminders, and workflow actions. For teams handling many projects, this can save a lot of time. But ClickUp also has the downside. Because the platform includes so many features, beginners sometimes feel overwhelmed. The dashboard can look very busy at first, and learning all the tools may take time. Some users also say the platform can occasionally feel slower when handling very large workspace. Now let's talk about the pricing and who each platform is best for. Notion itself is often preferred by individual creators, students, and small teams that want flexibility, note-taking, and organized workspace. It works especially well for content planning, documentation, and personal productivity. ClickUp usually better for businesses, agencies, and teams that need advanced project management, workflow tracking, automations, and reporting tools. Another interesting thing is that many businesses actually use both of them together. Some teams use Notion for the documentation and knowledge management, while using ClickUp for the task management and project tracking. So which one should you choose? If you want a clean, flexible, and customizable workspace for organizing ideas and managing light projects, then Notion is probably the better choice. But if you need advanced project management, team collaboration, workflow automation, and detailed task control, then ClickUp is likely the stronger option. So that's it basically for today's video. Hope this comparison helped you understand the differences between Notion and ClickUp. and which platform may fit your workflow better. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like this video, subscribe Easy Access Tech, and check the description link for the special software offers and discounts. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.